Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple list will set you up for delicious success. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. After mixing, it's crucial to chill your dough. Wrap it tightly in plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or even overnight. This step prevents your cookies from spreading too much during baking. Once chilled, roll out the dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Then, use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cool, unleash your creativity with frosting and sprinkles. And hey, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.